Today you will learn about how to create a Google Classroom. I will tell you step by step as a teacher and as a student also. Okay, so this is my teacher's account. I have one Gmail as a teacher, and I want to create my Google Classroom. Click on this 9 dots on the top right corner. Click on it and find out Classroom. Okay, so because this is the first time I'm creating any classroom and it's asking me if I'm a teacher or a student. So if I'm a teacher, I'll create a class, check it, continue. Let's say grade 4A. Math, or simply G4. Create. Okay, so here I can, first of all, I can customize my class. Let's select the font color, any picture that you want, and save it. So this is my class grade 4A. I've got the code here on the left side, this one. There are many ways you can share it with your students. You can either show them in the classroom through projector or send the copy, this copy invitation link to their email addresses. What I will do, I'll just copy this code now because I'll be creating a student class. Okay. Okay, simply I'll tell you as a teacher, you have 4 tabs here. Screen, through screening, you can announce anything to your class through classwork. You can either create a quiz, assignment, or upload a material, anything. People, you'll find all the people related to your class here, your co-teachers, your students, and the marks that this one will be when students will be submitting their assignments, then you'll get to come here to manage their marks. Okay, I'll go to another account as a student. I'll do the same procedure. Go to the 9 tabs, that is Google Apps, find out Classroom app here. But this time I'll be joining the class. So this is my account here on the top, and it's asking me to give the code that I already copied from my teacher's account, and there I go, join. So I have joined the same class, which is grade 4A. All right, here I have, you can see that I don't have 4 tabs like my teacher. I only have 3. So I have screen, classwork, and people. Let's go back to the teacher's account and send an announcement to see how does it work. This is, as a teacher, I'm sending an announcement to all my students, grade 4. Hi, welcome to my class. Have a wonderful year ahead. And then I posted. Okay, so now let's see, when I go to my students account, refresh it, and I should find the same announcement here. Okay, so my teacher sent me an announcement saying, hi, welcome to my class, have a wonderful year ahead. Okay, so, and also here under the inbox, you'll find an email saying that your teacher has sent you an announcement. Okay, Now I go back to my teacher's account and see how this classwork works. I go to classwork and let's upload a material. See, practice. Go through the attached material. All right, here I'll upload something I created for my grade 4A class. This is book 11. All right, so before I send it, I want to make sure if this is what I want to send to my grade 4A. Yeah, this is it. This is my geometry class, and I have made this practice test for them. So I want to post it. All right. There are many options to post here. Okay, you can either post it right away, schedule it, or save draft. So here it says I'm posting for grade 4A to all the students, and you can create a topic here. Organize your classroom. Save that practice. That's my topic, and I just posted it here. You will notice one more thing, that you, whatever the activities you do, you get to be notified through the inbox also. I go to my students account and see if something is being uploaded by my teacher. Okay, where is my class? Okay, so I find this topic, math practice, and the materials being uploaded here. And as a student, I'm supposed to go through it as per the description of my teacher. This is it. And I get to notify through my email also. All right. So there are many things that you can do with your Google Classroom. It's a huge, huge thing. And I'll be doing different stuff in my upcoming videos.